To begin, you will need Adobe Reader. So far, this is the only reliable program to view layered PDFs. If you don't already have it, you can find it for free on the Adobe website. I'll post a link in the description. Open the pattern file with your country's print size. Most of the world uses A4, but Canada and the US will use US letter size. Since I live in South Korea, I will be using A4 for this example. Move your cursor to the left and click on the layers icon. Now you can see every size as an individual layer. Make sure the Print All layer is visible. Then find your size. I will be printing size 10. Then hide all the other sizes. Click on File and then Print. Once the print menu comes up, make sure Actual Size and Auto for Orientation is highlighted. If you want to save paper and ink, use the pattern's printing guide to only print the pages you need. Every printer is a little different, so I recommend printing off a test page. Make any changes you need to the print settings as long as you keep the size to actual size or 100% scale, and then print the rest of the pages. You will notice at the top of each page there is a letter and a number. The letters are for the rows, so across from left to right, and the numbers are for the columns, so up to down. Start with your first piece of paper. This is usually A1, but could be different depending on the pattern. Then grab your next sheet, which in this case is A2. Now cut all along the left side on the outside of the line. Line that up along the right side of your first paper, making sure to match up the diamonds, the sidelines, and the pattern outline. You want the sidelines to kiss, not overlap. And then tape those pieces together. You can continue connecting all of row A like this, but I'm going to jump down to row B. As you can see, the next sheet is B1. So you would have A, B, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For B1, we're just going to cut off the top part. Line everything up, tape, and move on to the next sheet. Now we have to fit B2 into here, so all we have to do is cut off the top part and the side part. Then continue this for all the rest of the pattern pieces. Once that's fully assembled, just simply cut out the pattern and move on to the sewing tutorial.